How to log into Frontier credit card. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can activate your Frontier credit card. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First step, open up a web browser. On your web browser, search for Frontier credit card login. After you search for that, you'll find the website by Barclays. So you can head over to the Barclays US website, and after there you'll find the sign in option on the right sidebar. So this one right here, all you have to do is enter out your username. Just enter your username, whatever it is, then finally your password. After you do that, tap on the login button and then you'll get logged in into your account. And that's how easy it is. If you've forgotten your username or password, there is also an option to simply redeem it or reset it, and that's how easy it is. Thanks for watching, stay tuned for more upcoming videos, and bye bye, take care.